If you're looking for your first car, then this is the video for you. As today, we're retaking a look at the best used cars 2x4 new drivers here in the UK. Welcome back, it's me. And today, I'm taking a look at some of the best used cars to buy for new drivers. Because if you're a new driver, or maybe you're buying your first car, there are certain things that you want to consider before making the purchase, like insurance costs, running costs, and reliability. So we've put together this list of the 6 best used cars for new drivers, and we'll be taking a look at them right now. Number 6. Hyundai i20. First up is the Hyundai i20. The Hyundai i20. It's a super mini that was first introduced in 2008, and it's known for its practicality, affordability, and fuel efficiency. It's a great choice for a first car because it's reliable, easy to drive, and it's not too expensive. Now, when looking for a used model, the second generation of the i20, which was released in 2014, is a great place to start. And these can be picked up for as little as £4,000. Now the i20 has a spacious interior and a large boot, so it's perfect for transporting passengers and cargo. Plus, it has a range of features that make it easy to park, including rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. It also comes with a 5-year unlimited mileage warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered for any unexpected repairs. And overall, the Hyundai i20 is a great option for new drivers. It's affordable, reliable, practical, and safe. 5. Ford Fiesta. Next up is the Ford Fiesta. The Ford Fiesta is another super mini that's been popular with new drivers for years. It's known for its affordability, fuel efficiency, and fun driving experience. The Fiesta has a reputation for being a bit of a hot hatch, and there are plenty of sporty versions available, such as the Street and the RS. But even the standard models are still really enjoyable to drive. Now, like the i20, the second generation Fiesta released in 2013 is a great place to start your search. And these can be picked up for just over £5,000. The Fiesta has a compact design, but it still has a spacious interior and a decent-sized boot. It's also available with a range of engines, including petrol, diesel, and hybrid options. And it comes with a number of advanced features, such as lane assist and automatic emergency braking. Overall, the Ford Fiesta is a great choice for a new driver. It's fun to drive, it's affordable, and it's packed with features. Number 4. Toyota Yaris. Next up is the Toyota Yaris. The Toyota Yaris is a super mini that's been popular with new drivers for years. It's known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low running costs. The Yaris is also one of the safest cars in its class, having achieved a 5-star rating in Euro NCAP crash tests. When looking for a used model, the third-generation Yaris released in 2017 is a great place to start, and these can be picked up for just over £7,000. The Yaris has a compact design, but still offers a surprisingly spacious interior and a decent-sized boot. It also comes with a range of features designed to make it easy to park, including a reversing camera and parking sensors. It's also available with a hybrid engine option, which means that you'll get really good fuel economy. Overall, the Toyota Yaris is a great choice for a new driver. It's reliable, safe, economical, and easy to drive. Number 3. Kia Rio. Next up is the Kia Rio. The Kia Rio is a super mini that's become very popular in recent years. It's known for its stylish design, affordability, and generous warranty. Now, the Rio is often overlooked by new drivers, but it should definitely be on your radar if you're looking for your first car. Number 2. Suzuki Swift. Next up is the Suzuki Swift. The Suzuki Swift is a super mini that's been popular with new drivers for years. It's known for its affordability, reliability, and excellent fuel economy. The Swift is also one of the safest cars in its class, having achieved a 5-star rating in Euro NCAP crash tests. When looking for a used model, the 5th generation Swift released in 2017 is a great place to start, and these can be picked up for around £6,000. The Swift has a compact design, but it still offers a surprisingly spacious interior and a decent-sized boot. It also comes with a range of features designed to make it easy to park, including a reversing camera and parking sensors. It's also available with a hybrid engine option, which means that you'll get really good fuel economy. Overall, the Suzuki Swift is a great choice for a new driver. It's safe, reliable, economical, and easy to drive. Number 1. Honda Jazz. Finally, we have the Honda Jazz at No. 1. The Honda Jazz is a small hatchback that's been popular with new drivers for years. It's known for its reliability, practicality, and fuel efficiency. The Jazz also has a reputation for being one of the most reliable cars on the road, which makes it a great choice for new drivers who want peace of mind. Now, while these are our top picks for the best used cars for new drivers, ultimately, the best car for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. So, do your research. Test drive a few different models and compare prices before making a decision. We hope that this video has helped you narrow down your search, and we wish you luck in finding the perfect car for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.